Today we're going to be talking about Aero Cosmetics Wash and Wax All line of products. That it is water-based and it has a UV protectant on it, and you can use it with or without water to wash your RV or vehicle. With this kit, I got the general purpose cleanser, the rubber care cleaner and protectant, a degreaser, some towels, and a gallon jug for the general cleanser. We're going to be trying this out today. I've got a damp cleaning cloth. I'm just going to go, so I don't create swirl marks, just kind of rinse off some of this dirt that is collected on the outside of the RV. One of the beauties of this product is that you can put it on while it is wet too, so you don't need to dry off if you've rinsed it off. You could just spray this on there and work the product onto the surface and then polish it with a clean side of the rag or a clean rag. So we'll go ahead, turn this to spray. Apply the product. And in the instructions it tells you to not let the product dry. So work in small areas. And again, with applying anything to the surface of your RV, you want to do it in a shaded area if possible to help reduce the fact that it's going to dry. So once it's applied, can go over and just kind of polish the area. And the product goes on really clean and smooth. I could already tell the difference in the surface. And it has created a smooth surface. And over time, using this product again and again, it'll help easier application and washing off the dust. In the instructions for the rubber care, it asks you to make sure that the area is cleaned first. So you can use the degreaser if we're going to be applying it to the tires to scrub the tires a little bit, get a lot of the road grime off for first application, and then we'll spray the rubber care on. And again, I'm just going to knock off some of the heavy dirt first off of the wheel and tire, and then we'll apply the rubber care product and then go on to moving on to cleaning the wheel itself. Have the tire cleaned with the degreaser, we're going to dry it off as per the instructions. Now, the rubber care is listed as being safe for all of the surfaces, so it's not going to harm the paint or the wheels at all. We'll just wipe off the excess before we let this sit. Because the rubber care we need to let sit for a half hour or longer to let it soak in and set into the rubber to help protect it. Let's go ahead and apply it now. We're going to wipe off some of this overspray that's on the wheel from the rubber care, and then we'll work on the wheel, cleaning it while the rubber care soaks in. And the more we use this degreaser and the general purpose, the easier it'll be to clean the surfaces later on. So I'll spray it a little bit on the rag. Now, according to the instructions on here as well, before the product dries up, you want to wipe it down and kind of polish it after you've applied it. Now, we've had the rubber care sitting on there soaking for its recommended 30 minutes. We'll go over and wipe off some of the spots that are left on there, and so there's no streaks left. Our tires were quite dry, and the rubber care seemed to soak in here really nicely. So all in all, this product works pretty good on the tires, but it will also work on the weather stripping and any rubber or plastic that is on your vehicle. I'm going to try to use the degreaser on these bugs here on the front of the RV. Spray it on there, let it kind of soak in a little bit. Now, this is the first time I've used this product on the front of the RV. It's taken these bugs off that have been on here for a couple of weeks. Really easy. I'm not hardly pushing down at all. Use the clean side of the rag to just wipe it off. And it's nice and smooth too. It worked really well at taking those bugs off. Maintaining the outside of your rig is just as important as maintaining other systems on your RV. These products are simple to use, can be used anywhere, and for the price, it's really efficient as well. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.